what does flying first class on Alaska Airlines on their premier route to Honolulu, Hawaii on a 737 MAX really look like? Well, let's go to the lounge and find out. Now we head into the lounge. Let's see what the Alaska North Gate Lounge really looks like too. This is a very nice lounge with all types of lattes and espresso machines, just like Starbucks. For breakfast, you can get a variety of hot and cold items. Eggs, sausage, pancakes. Alaska also has a business first-class lounge at the Sea Gates. It's smaller and much busier than the one at the end gate. There's no advantages to flying first class in this crowded waiting area, but we get to board first. So what do you get with a first class seat on a 737 MAX? Well, when you sit down, you get a blanket, which is unusual, and 2 boxes of water. What more could you ask for? Well, what else do you get in the first class seat? If you listen closely, you can hear Hawaiian music playing. There are footrests that one can lower. Otherwise, nothing to distinguish this seat from any of the other first class seats on Alaska Airlines. And we are off. And now we're turning for Honolulu, our next stop. Turning to the food on board. There's some peanuts and coffee and drinks. My breakfast. You can see eggs, yogurt, fruit, bread, and an orchid. And now for the bill test. How long does it take from pushing that button until I get an answer? Let's count it out. The answer, 12 seconds till the hostess steward came. Is there anything special about the bathroom? Well, perhaps a row of orchids. Otherwise, it's the usual tiny cabin area. And there's a little ham sandwich as a lunch snack. And with the trip coming to an end, we're flying over the airport, getting ready to land in Honolulu.